It's a sunny, sunny day and the ground is dry. Ellie flaps her ears and looks up at the sky. She says it's hot,